Welcome back, guys. This is 254. I'm your host Kefa. This time round we're making something simple and yummy. It's the Meat Deluxe. Basically you use, as the name suggests, it's just meat, manyama too. So you can use, okay, for me I will be using ground beef and smokies or sausages. But out there you can use basically anything. You can use ground beef, sausages, you can add bacon, you can, a lot of meat in it. That's why it's the Meat Deluxe. Anyway, I hope you enjoy. It will be an easy one. And yeah, subscribe, share and like. So pretty basic ingredients and simple ones. We have 3 tomatoes chopped anyhowly because we'll blend them. We have 2 Royco cubes, a teaspoon of garam, and 1 clove of garlic. Then we have 1 onion chopped, but we'll divide it into 2. Half will go with this into the blender, half will be cooked. Here we're supposed to have 3 smokies, but I ate 1, so 3, not 2. Then this is minced meat, ground beef. Then we have pre-cooked macaroni, and that's it for the day actually. So first step, we make the sauce, tomato sauce, and in goes the tomatoes into the blender. Then next off we have half of the onions. That one also goes in there, and then our clove of garlic into that, a pinch of salt, water in there. So we just set this up over here, turn it on. Nothing much. After blending, we now have the smokies and the ground beef, and that's all. So you guys, let's get to this cooking session over here with Kefir. So next off, you put your wok or your pan. All you have to do now is heat your wok or your pan. Yes, hapa imechapa, we can all see that imepika sana, imekula maisha. So anyway, just make sure that is hot. A little oil in there. Once it's all hot, you drop in your smokies. Let them fry for some seconds. Just do that for a few seconds, then you add the other half of the onion into this. Let the onions get cooked, not golden brown or brown, but just there in the middle. And then we toss in our ground beef. Just toss everything together, let it all mix. When the beef is all brown, take your sauce, the one we made earlier, and we'll toss that into the mix. We'll put in the spices and finally mix with our macaroni. I crushed the Royco cubes, so it's powdery. Mix this well. Reduce your heat to low. Delicious. So your spices are all integrated. Your mixture is all thick. Next step, tossing the little buddies. Just toss. Doesn't this look good? I repeat, if this looks good, somebody say amen. I don't know what will. So you guys, as you can see, the food looks perfecto. I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope you will be making this. Share your videos, and okay, yeah, subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you next time. You can tell me down in the comments what you'd like me to prepare next, and until next time,